Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to activate a gift card in under 5 minutes by following a few simple steps that work for most major brands. Step 1. Check the packaging and receipt. Before you begin, make sure the gift card has been purchased and properly loaded. Look at the receipt to confirm the activation and verify the balance shown is correct. Step 2. Find the activation instructions. Turn the card over and read the text on the back. Some gift cards activate automatically at purchase, while others require online activation or a quick phone call. Knowing this upfront saves time. Step 3. Prepare the required information. Most activation processes ask for the card number, PIN, or security code. Gently scratch off the protective strip to reveal the PIN, making sure not to damage the numbers. Step 4. Activate the card using the instructed method. If it's online, visit the official website listed on the card and enter the required details. If activation is by phone, call the number provided and follow the automated instructions carefully. Step 5. Confirm the activation. After completing the process, check the confirmation message or email if available. You can also verify the balance online to ensure the card is active and ready to use. Step 6. Store the card safely. Keep both the card and the receipt until the balance is fully used. This protects you in case of any issues or disputes. By following these steps, you can activate your gift card quickly and securely without unnecessary delays. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next helpful guide.